Hello astrology lovers. In the last video I spoke on cuspal interlinks for profit and loss related to share and stock market trading and winning a lottery, and in this very video I will talk on a horary case work done by Professor S.P. Khullar regarding gain through shares. Through this very system we can help a person know if he would make a gain through share or stock or lottery. To help that very person, we have to ask him to imagine his or her query holistically and provide a number of either 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digit within 2193. So the number has to be within 2193 from 1 to 2193. For example, 1 digit number can be 1 or 7 or 8, 2 digit number can be 11 or 64 or 86 or 95 or 97 or 98, or 3 digit number can be 386 or 777, 4 digit number can be 1008 or 2000 or 2020. A gentleman purchased shares with an idea of speculation due to unforeseen reasons. The stock market indicated too many fluctuations. This caused the gentleman great anguish and worry. He rushed to a practitioner of KCIL astrology to find out whether he will have to suffer loss or he will come out of it with gain. The number he gave was 2050 within 2193. So horary number was 2050, query was gain through shares, time zone and name plus 5:30 Indian Standard Time, date and date 29th June 2005, Wednesday, place Tilak Nagar, Delhi, India, geocentric latitude adopted, lunar nodes true, sidereal time 18:03:31, Anmash 23:55:19, Nakshatra Revati 3rd quarter, Tithi Krishna Paksha Navami. With that very information, a horary chart was produced on 29th June 2005 at 19:37:36 hours. This is the longitude and this is latitude. The first step is to check if the query of a person is genuine or the horary chart is genuine or not, and that we can understand from the position of moon. Here moon is positioned in 5th, and 5th is connected to share and stock market trading and winning lottery. So moon appears in 5th as Rashi Lord. Moon also appears in 6th as 6th is connected to winning. It is also a financial cusp, and moon appears in 11th as Subsub Lord, and 11th is connected to fulfillment of desire or fulfillment of ambition. So here we can understand that moon appears in the desired cusps, and the moon's star lord Mercury appears in 5th. So we can consider this query to be genuine and study if the person will make gains or losses. So to study this, we have to first study Subsub Lord of Lagna. Here Subsub Lord of Lagna is Ketu. So we have to study first Ketu. Ketu is in the star of Mars, and Mars appears in 2 and 5. So it involves 2 and 5. Both these cusps are connected to the matter of gaining through share market, and commitment is happening with Rahu. Rahu appears in 6 and 11, and 6 and 11 is connected to gains. Rahu also appears in 2 because Rahu represents Jupiter and Jupiter appears in 2, so Rahu also appears in 2. So Rahu appears in 2, 6, 11. So Ketu involves 2, 5, commits with 2, 6, 11, and the final confirmation with Venus, and Venus appears in 2. So here Lagna Subsublord makes link with 2, 6, 11. We also have to study Ketu as Mercury and Mars, because whenever Subsublord is Rahu or Ketu, we also have to study from the planets these shadow planets represent. So we can see that Ketu supports this person to make gains, and let's see if Ketu as Mercury supports this person to make gains. So here Ketu as Mercury, Mercury is in the star of Saturn, and Saturn appears in 5th. It also appears in 6th and 11th. So it involves 5, 6, 11. It commits with Ketu. Ketu appears in 2 and 6 because Ketu represents Mars, and Mars appears in 2, and Ketu appears in 6th because Ketu represents Mercury. So here Ketu appears. So 2, 6, and Ketu also appears in 7. 7 is neutral, so Ketu is well positioned to support. And then final confirmation is happening with Mercury, and Mercury appears in 6th. So Ketu as Mercury also supports. Then let's study if Ketu as Mars supports. Ketu as Mars. Mars is Mercury, star, sublord is Mercury, and subsublord is Jupiter. So Mercury will be the star lord and Jupiter will become sublord, because if star and sub are same, then we have to consider them as one. So Mercury appears in Mars, does not have position status, and Mercury appears in 5th and also in 6th. So it involves 6th. Then commits with Jupiter, and Jupiter appears in 2. So this also supports this person to make gains. Then we have to study 5th cusp subsublord, because 5th is connected to share and stock market trading, and we have already studied Mercury because Ketu represents Mercury. So while studying Ketu, we studied Mercury also. And then we have to study 11th cusp subsublord, because 11th cusp subsublord is connected to fulfillment of desire and fulfillment of ambition. So here Moon is 11th cusp subsublord, and Moon is in the star of Mercury, and Mercury appears in 6th. So it involves 6 and commits with Rahu, and final confirmation also with Rahu, and Rahu appears in 6th. It also appears in 11th and also appears in 2, because Rahu represents Jupiter and Jupiter appears in 2. So Rahu appears in 2, 6, 11. So this person's desires will get fulfilled. So from 1st, 5th and 11th cusp, we can understand that this person will definitely make gains from his shares. Summary: check if a query is genuine or not from Moon's position. Then second step is, if it's genuine, then study Lagna subsublord, then study 5th cusp subsublord, then study 11th cusp subsublord. If Lagna, 5th and 11th cusp subsublord all make strong links with 2, 6 and 11, then person will make gains. I appreciate you took time to watch this video, and if you found this video useful, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or queries, then please feel free to connect with me with the information mentioned in the description box. I wish you have a wonderful day and stay safe.